Once there was a wolf. He was hungry. He sneaked into a village in the dead of the night, looking for food. He was happy to see a dog fast asleep in front of a house. As he was about to pounce on it, the dog woke up. "Can't you see well in the dark?" the dog asked. Confused, the wolf stopped. "Don't you see I am lean and bony? Surely I can't fill your big stomach," the dog said. "Why don't you wait for a few days? My master is going to celebrate the wedding of his only daughter. Then I will have plenty to eat. I will grow fat." The dog said. "Don't you think it will be better to eat me then?" he asked helpfully. The wolf thought he could wait. "I'll be back next week," he growled and went away. After a week, when the wolf returned, he found the dog lying on the roof of the house. "Is the wedding over? Did you eat well?" asked the wolf, smacking his lip, thinking of the wonderful food he would soon have. The dog simply smiled. The wolf grew impatient. "Come down, dog. You said I could eat you when you grew fat." The dog said, "Listen, wolf, if you catch me again sleeping on the floor, do not wait for the wedding." With that, the dog barked. The door opened. Men came out with sticks. The poor, hungry wolf ran for his life. Subscribe English Fever for more videos.